Now in the previous video what we did was we created a chart directly in PowerPoint. But you might already have that chart created in Excel, and what happens if you just wanted to put it into PowerPoint quickly and easily. So we're going to use the copy and the paste special function as we did before with the table. A point worth noting is that we have our slide presentation with the table here. Do we really want to also have it in a chart format? Remember, if you're presenting, you might want to just present one or the other. But for the purposes of this training, we're going to show you how to do both ways. So in PowerPoint, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do new slide and title only. Here we go. And I'm going to title it exam results. Now let's go into our Excel spreadsheet. Here's our Excel spreadsheet. You can see the table from previously, and I've now put it into a chart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the chart, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy it. Or I could use the Control-C, or any of the menu options in the top left. Here we go, copy. I now just click directly into PowerPoint, and I can come up to here where I have these paste special options. Or I can also right click and I have a similar set of options. These are slightly different from the table. You can see the symbols are slightly changed. We've got actually this chain at the very bottom of the symbol. Let's look at what each of them are. The first one uses the destination theme and embeds the workbook. What that means is that the actual Excel that we looked at previously is now within this PowerPoint. This could drastically increase your file size of PowerPoint, and also remember, suddenly if anyone has access to this PowerPoint, they then have access to all the other information that is in that Excel spreadsheet. So that's one option. We could just keep the source formatting, how it looked in the original Excel, and then also embed that workbook. Again, we've got the same security implications, which could be fine, but just need to be considered. Another option is we could use the destination theme and link the data. What that means is providing that Excel stays in the same file location, you can update that Excel and then tell PowerPoint you've updated it, and it will automatically update this chart accordingly. You can also do a similar by keeping the source formatting and linking the data. Or finally, you could put in a picture. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the source formatting and link the data. There we go. There's my chart. Now let's say, for example, that I found that there has been a change to the actual information. I need to correct that. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let's choose what we're going to update. So you can see that Kira in English received 52 or 3%. Let's go and change that to something drastic so we see the change. We're going to say it's 10%. So we're going to go into our Excel. We're going to find Kira and her English result. Watch the chart on the right. We're going to change it to 10%. The chart's reduced, and now if we go into PowerPoint, you can see that it has automatically reduced the value here because PowerPoint and the Excel are linked. So very, very useful and very, very powerful. Just remember that PowerPoint needs to know where that Excel is, so therefore if you move where you've saved that Excel, then it will have problems updating it. So there we go. Another way of adding a chart, actually taking it from Excel. You can embed the actual Excel within PowerPoint, but you can also link it to the original file.